Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, for some reason, whole heap of people seem to be of the belief that Kevin Smith is still around. P0lice even confirmed that, saying that he has spoken with Kevin Smith. Now, law enforcement also said that recent Moco investigations into known and licensed financial institutions reveal that individuals who work there, CEOs, branch managers, were involved in illegal activities at these financial institutions. It is also alleged that these individuals are linked to Kevin Smith. Me am going to go on there continue reasoning. Look and listen.
If some look at normal shot are dead, and 9 key for them. Some big top politician dead, 9 key for them. Some big top gunman dead, 9 key for them. So why would Kevin Smith, a powerful man like he is, living in the real flesh, if he was dead, on a 9 na keep, on a candlelight vigil na keep, and Kevin people them love him gone to bed. The man say, Emperor, the police station is nearly 10 miles from me. So check out the video. Them said a woman called police, and by the time she called police up at the church less than 3 minutes. The man said, Emperor, the military camp is over 100 miles from where my church is. So, somebody for call the police plus the military, and police and military, they open my church in less than 3 minutes. And you know some people, I'm looking at them and say, Kevin, you know it's a true attack. Because people, you know, don't ask questions now. You know maroon emperor people. I ask questions, I investigate, I don't litigate, I investigate. And people, you check it out. Oh, a woman to take out the phone out her purse and call. And remember, the people, over 200 and odd people, them take out of the church and then them let go almost everyone back people that don't go well up on one somebody. Or allegedly well up on one somebody. How comes? You know, there's something wrong, people. Big murder scene like that, 3 or 2 people them say get killed. And then Kevin say, Emperor, look at it. Look back on the video, them tell the people to look back on the video. If it was a murder scene, why would they have people cleaning up the scene, taking up back, and fixing back things before the person the media rightfully come there? People confession is good for the soul. Man say, Emperor, while the church was keeping, I was running at the pool, in the pool. That's why when you see me, I wasn't in no church. I don't know what no killing, nothing at all. The man confess, people. And people, if you look on the video, remember when you see them have Kevin Smith and people, the man was in a, not even a candlelight vigil hall. Big Kevin Smith dead, what have Sean Paul as him follower, him have Andrew Wallace as him follower, him have Babs Granger as him follower, him have Portia Simpson Miller as him follower, him have how much military, how much police, how much shatter as him follower, and Kevin Smith dead, people, and at a candlelight vigil. Plus him have followers from all over the world, and Kevin Smith for dead people, and there's no candlelight vigil, there's no 9 there's no wake, there's no funeral, and not one funeral parlor, as Kevin Smith said. Kevin a job, Kevin say, Emperor, tell him to find one funeral parlor in Jamaica who can say them do burning of my ash, burning of my body. I go for my brother up in the hills. I say go for my brother up in the hills and ask him brother. And he said the only reason I'm doing to deal with him brother, because him brother is ungrateful and him brother is a wicked. So I don't know the family feud people, but I just take it or I get it. It is Andrea Stevens, but we just say Andrea Smith. Because I Kevin, I'm father. Yeah, son? You himself a big up Andrea Stevens people, aka Andrea Smith. Mm. Yeah, man, Kevin Smith Church is in Montego Bay, people. At least one of them, the head one. So right now, Kevin still a doing thing, people. He's still keeping it, but in secret location, people, and I can't talk that people. I just mostly people who need to know where he is, cause too much hypocrite about. The man say Emperor, the reason why I don't open a wide church again, because too much hypocrite there. Them believe everything politicians said. Them believe everything the media said. So I don't even want any people talk about people up here. Rich people got Kevin Smith church and other people. And them 1 and 2 loyal poor people fans. Who them not really poor, because Kevin Smith is a man who him can bless you for you make money. Same like I say the emperor can build ring for you make money. And the emperor I and I can bless you, make you make wealth, and I can, you understand? I want him like with Kevin Smith people. The man still look up to me. The man say, Emperor, I know my bad, you're bad. Yeah. So people, big up Kevin Smith. Like and share the show. But alright, here we go now. All the naysayers, them and all of the that them will follow Andrew Wallace themselves here and they follow the press and the media. Show me one video of Kevin Smith ashes where they said, I throw these ashes in the sea, or I throw these ashes in the river. Long live Kevin Smith. Wanna show me one video. And remember, when they say Kevin Smith dead, people, Kevin Smith in the car, lay down with it, you have a picture where him headed to the left. And then when you see the other picture, he made it to the right. And then 3 picture, and then you see the other picture where him head this a boom and lean back some people. What kind of dead man that? People, look at uno go back and go study all of the picture of them people. One of them when Kevin in the car, him headset so. And then one more him headset over the other side. And then him headset so. And then now people, when them finally say take Kevin Smith out of the car, Kevin people, they on the stretcher people, with the mask over him nose people. And I mean, then by the time him reaching at the ambulance people, the mask on them chin people. And then by the time Kevin Smith reach at the mag people, the mask fall up in that Kevin Smith and tight so. Kevin say, Emperor, I did it for all. Kevin said, Kevin Smith, see a man like Kevin Smith people. Oh man work hard people and him give to the poor and feed the needy. Yes, and that is how them treat him. Because the man refuse people to take side against you, the people. People, man, say, Emperor, the video last night was the most hottest video you ever do. I say, yo, Kevin, I say, watch all of my video, them people. Kevin Smith people, Kevin, yo, people, man, lie. Kevin Smith a good man, people. The man give to the poor. The man give to the needy. The man help the rich. The man help everybody. That's why the man say, Emperor, every time I watch you, you remind me of me. He must say, Emperor, you have to walk up the church. People, you know, say, mega do Kevin Smith bidding people. The man say, I'm for go down at the church, people. I'm for bless up the church. Because the man say, everything was going on at the church, people, was staged. Because
I don't know. But some people are really of the belief that Smith is still alive and still doing thing. They must say an individual who attain that level of fame, linked with so much top people, have so much people in a congregation. How come they have never mourned this passing? Some people say, how come them still carry on as if nothing happened? And them still not say Kevin Smith in the light way. Other citizens might say Kevin Smith. Hence why the church name not change and them just carry on like, no, nothing happened. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. P0lice say yes. Him talk to him. You know if somebody call him and pretend to be Kevin Smith, or what was the case, but he must say him talk to him. Of course, until the reason again, live, love and prosper. Stay tuned.